I'm going to show you how I make chicken fajitas in an air fryer. Start by adding a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fajita spice mix, a tablespoon of chipotle paste, and then the juice of half a lime. Once you've squeezed that in, stir everything together until it's all well mixed and combined. Then pour it over some raw chopped chicken, and then stir everything together with a spoon until it's all really well coated. Spray a little bit of olive oil into your air fryer basket. I like to take the tray out and then pop some chopped raw onions into the air fryer basket and air fry at 200 degrees for a few minutes. Then add the raw chicken in with the onions and return the air fryer basket back to the air fryer and air fry for about 10 minutes at the same temperature. Give it a quick stir halfway through and then add some raw peppers, mix everything all in together and return to the air fryer for about another 5 minutes or until the chicken looks done. And that's it, it's done. You can make whatever you want with it, but obviously works well in a wrap.